I just received my orders from SM. My total bill is over 900 pesos. But I only paid 650 inclusive of delivery fee. Here's how I did it. I installed Zimmall's online app. I needed some baking ingredients, but I don't have time to buy them. There is Wonder Bake in SM Megamall. You can just type what you need in the main search engine to see which store sells it. Wonder Bake in Megamall sells a wide range of baking supplies. Here is my shopping cart. Once you click checkout, you will see the total amount payable plus the fixed delivery fee. I chose next day delivery, but actually it arrived 2 days after. I clicked Zim voucher and these appear. I chose the first option, which gives 250 discount. You can either pay online or pay cash upon delivery. So convenient!